Simula umaga hanggang tanghali, anong ginagawa ninyo sa tactical command post habang unti-unting nauubos ang 55th?
Mista, ano sa akala mo ginagawa namin? Nakatunganga lang kami? Naglalaro ng Mobile Legend?
I'm asking you.
We were desperately following up the artillery support na pinangako ng Army. At may nabalitaan din kaming inaayos na ceasefire. Umasa din kami doon.
Ano na nangyari sa reinforcements ng SAF?
Since pin down ng 55th, hindi na nakabante yung tatlo pang blocking force.
So in other words, all your blocking forces were blocked.
And you had an additional 300 SAF troopers sa Maharlika Highway standing around doing nothing.
Unfortunately,
At that point, did you think it was a good call on your part to exclude the military from the planning of Opland Exodus?
Mista, I already told you the reason why I did that. I stand by my decision.
Yes, you got Maruani. But was it worth the lives of 44 of your men?
Look, the Army knew the situation on the ground before sunrise. As early as 7:30, nangako sila na tutulong sila pero tanghali na, wala pa rin. So nag-isip na ako, ano ba talaga nangyayari?
Did you ask PDG Purisima? Sabi niya, nakausap mo raw si General Katapang.
Sabi niya may darating na artillery at air support galing sa AFP. Pero umaga pa lang nang tinext siya sa akin yun.
From his mansion in Nueva Ecija?
Yes.
What about President Aquino?
Nasa Zamboanga yun. May photo op. Naghihintay pa nga yung helicopter para pumunta sa Maguindanao. Pagkatapos, nagka-leche-leche na sa Mama Sapano.
But all that question was for Leo.
Ay, sorry.
So, Mista, were you in contact with the President that day?
No. Sila lang ni PDG Purisima ang magka-text. Kasama ni Presidente si General Katapang sa Zamboanga. So siguro, sinabi niya na yung tungkol sa Mama Sapano.
Ano sa palagay mo naman ang sinabi ng Commander-in-Chief sa Chief ng AFP?
Colonel De La Rosa, you're inviting me to speculate?
You're free to speak your mind here with us.
It's just a suspicion. I have no proof.
Well, qualification noted, this may or may not go on the record.
I think the President ordered the military to stand down to protect the peace process with the MILF.
If your suspicion is right, you know what that means. From sunrise to sunset, the SAF were target practice for the rebels.
Mista, alam ng Diyos na ginawa ko ang lahat para iligtas ang tao ko. Pero may mga pangyayaring hindi ko na kontrolado.